Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Mimi Melly, the creator of CreateKingdomPlans. And in today's video, we're going to be looking through my brand new academic notebook. Now this notebook is specifically for students. I'll leave the link in the description box below so that you can get your hands on this very awesome notebook. So let's get started. So this notebook can be used in Goodnotes, Notability, or NoteShelf. It can be used year-round for any semester that you'd like. So I'm going to show you all the cool features in this flip through. First of all, you get 6 awesome covers for your notebook. So each of them will connect you right back to your index just by clicking on the shadow. On the top left and the top right corner, when you click on them, it will also link you back to your index. This gives you quick access to your index anywhere in your notebook. Now let's take a look at those covers. You can select what cover you want for which semester you want to use or what class you want to use it for, so that you can really organize all your classes in your folder using Goodnotes, Notability, or NoteShelf. It's super easy to select and move the cover that you want to use to the front. Just like this, if you click on the thumbnails, you're easily able to just drag and drop the covers you want and delete the covers that you don't want. And even if you delete them, you'll still be able to use the shadow to link you right back to your index. So let's take a look at the first tab at the top. It's called Classes. When you click on it, you'll see this page. Each of the classes are listed by 1 to 12, the same as your tabs at the side. They are all hyperlinked. They're coordinated so that you can easily access each class by number. Just to show you how seamless this all works, I'm going to be adding a few class names so that you can get the hang of how to use this notebook. Alright, perfect. We got our classes in. As you can see, when you click on number 1, my number 1 class is Spanish. Number 2 is Biology. Number 3, Calculus. And number 4 is Statistics. And you can see that both the tabs at the side still link to your classes, as well as the classes listed in that tab. Each class or each subject has 9 different sections that link you to their own page. This makes it easy to separate each section so that you know what to study for what exam. And at the end, you have all 9 sections so that you can go back and study for your final exam. You also have the freedom to write down what each section is. You can even add images, pictures to really get you motivated to study and to write down some notes. So now that I've named my sections, I can now either add a title at the top and start writing notes, or this can just be a page where you write your key points. At the top of each page, when you click on it, it'll bring you right back to the beginning class page where you have all your sections. So no matter where you are, when you click on it, it will bring you right back. And that remains the same for each class or each subject. So in the Classes tab, you're able to write the day, the time that you have that class, the professor, what you rate that class, and your grade for that class. Your Schedule tab has your entire schedule from Monday to Sunday and from the times of 6 a.m. all the way to 11 p.m. So you have enough space to write down all the things that you have to do in the week. Your assignments tab has your due date first so that you can mark down each assignment by its date, and you can check off if it's group work and if you've done it already. You also have an area to write your grade at the end of that assignment. Now, if this one page of assignments isn't enough for you because you've got a busy college schedule, don't worry. You can always duplicate this page and create more room to write more assignments. Okay, let's head over to the Goals tab. So in this tab, you're able to write down all the goals that you want to achieve this semester and the action steps towards it and your accomplishments. You also have a tab of highlights of the great things that happened this year. So you have the opportunity to really brighten up and make sure that you are bringing joy every single semester. Now, I really love this tab because it's so hard to focus on the great things sometimes. We focus on the things that we didn't do right. We focus on the things that didn't happen the way that we thought it would. But this really gives you that opportunity to write down the things that went well, the classes that went well, the teachers that you liked, the professors that you liked, the students around you that you liked. This is a really awesome time to reflect on your semester. Now in the highlight section, you can create anything that you want. You can write any way that you want. If you want to write underneath the picture, if you want to write above the picture, it is all up to you. It is freedom to write out your highlights for the semester. Now we all know there's so much to do during the semester, so I've created a to-do tab. I've created a shorter list that you can check off for each class, or a longer list depending on the semester and how it's going. Trust me, I know there is so much to do, but you got this. You can also duplicate these pages as much as you need to. All right, so now let's head over to the Extras tab. Now you have 9 sections already laid out for you for college ruled. You have wide ruled, and you have college ruled with a line. You have one-sided with one blank side. You have 2 boxes. You have 2-sided, and you have a star in the middle, along with a tracker if you want to track your classes. You have graph paper, and you have dotted paper, as well, of course, as a blank paper. Now, if you made it this far, congratulations. You have an amazing freebie waiting for you. You will have access to all of these stickers once you hit on the blank page and you swipe to the side in the Goodnotes file. You'll see different colors for your desktop. You have days of the week, sticky notes, some clips. You have lots of things that you'll need for every semester for your notebook. Now, if you use Goodnotes, Goodnotes has an amazing new feature called Elements, where you can add stickers into different collections. If you want to know how to do this, check out the video in the link in the description box below. All right, one last thing before we go. The index is also hyperlinked, so you can see how the index is right now. Each and every single subject is also linked to the same tab. So this is another way where you can have easy access to all of your classes. And can I just mention the lightning speed of this notebook? Look how fast it goes to each tab. All right, you guys, so that's pretty much it for this flip through video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're interested in this academic notebook, please check the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. For all my new subscribers, welcome to the fam. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and remember to hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.